This was shared with me so I could share it with you. This is a pack of ivy that we're going to use here as a backdrop. And I'm just going to cut right here where it says to cut. And then this is 86 feet. And it's just a nice fake ivy. You can use this as a backdrop for special events. I'm going to try it here in my little filming area to see what it looks like. And we'll see how this goes. So I'm going to get this out. And it's like a fake ivy, and they are 86 feet long, so there's a lot of ivy there to work with. That is, but it looks like it's 12 different strands, and here. So we're gonna get this started and see what this looks like here. You like this? I think it's a new toy for you. Anna thinks this is a new toy. So this is what a single string of it looks like. So if you wanted to just do it this way, you could even put it around a centerpiece for a candle or something. So we just used 3 of the strands to do this, to give us this little aesthetic behind our backdrop here. And I think that looks really nice the way that is. It gives it a little depth to our backdrop. And that was only 3 strands. So we still have all of these left to do decorating. So it really gives you a lot in this batch. And I highly recommend it if you like to decorate and you like these ivy. Like I said, there's all sorts of different ways that you can use this. But here's how we have it set up here for my backdrop. So check it out.